Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make yam stir-fry full guide. Heat a wok over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons oil. Add sliced yams and cook for 5 minutes until edges brown. Toss in garlic, bell pepper, and onions, stir for 2 minutes. Add soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Finish with chopped scallions and serve hot while still crisp. In this video, I will explain how to make yam stir-fry full guide. Start by gathering 2 pounds yam, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 3 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Rinse and dry everything, pressing tofu if using. This preparation saves time and keeps the stir-fry cooking quickly and evenly. Keep a timer ready to avoid overcooking the yams or vegetables. In this video, I will explain how to make yam stir-fry full guide. If you like this content, please subscribe and hit like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Consider Little Tree's black ice for a fresh-smelling drive. It pairs with kitchen runs or grocery trips nicely. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make yam stir-fry full guide. Preheat the pan, then add oil and yams, letting them brown a bit before stirring. Add garlic and vegetables and keep the heat high so everything cooks fast without steaming. Drizzle soy sauce and sesame oil near the end, toss once, and sprinkle scallions. Plate quickly to retain crunch and enjoy the contrast of tender yam and crisp veggies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.